What it do, gang? We back with another video, most definitely. So, my previous video, I was talking about the relays and running my fans and getting wires and stuff like that. So, it's some simple Walmart wire. It's some 14 gauge, 50 feet. I went and bought. I've been had some zip ties. I went and bought a pack of these to attach my grounds, which I got down here. That's going to the fans right here. I'm going to end up running the power wire to my relay box over here too, to run my fuel pump. I'm going to put them fittings on there. I went and got, I already had some loom, so I'm finna finish putting that back together. If I had a tripod or something, I could show y'all what's going on, but I'm make sure I turn the video on or the camera back on to show y'all exactly how I did this. But the main objective is to get my fuel pump running off the relay switch in the computer, and to have my fans run off the grounds that comes out the wire harness from the computer. And when we get that going on, I'm gonna hit y'all back. All right. Yo, I'm back with another one. I ended up finishing the wiring for the relays and the fans and the fuel pump. I was gonna get it on video, but when I start getting busy, I really don't even have the time to even pick up a camera or whatever. But I'm just gonna show y'all what's really going on and how I wired and what I got going on. Now we can see right there, those are the fan plugs or whatever. I got them loomed up coming across to those grounds. I gotta put some more black tape over there, but then I got them coming over here into these relays that's boarded on the firewall or on the fender wells or whatever. I still haven't clamped this up yet because that's going to the gauges or whatever if I get a digital. I have a main hot wire coming off the battery, if y'all can see, and I got it going straight across the radiator, all the way across here in loom, and I got it going straight to the relay that goes to the fuel pump. This is the fuel pump wire, this blue one right here. I put some little speaker wire clamps on it, I guess is what you call them, and I slid them into the spots they're supposed to be on. The left is the main hot, and the right side is the wire that goes to the fuel pump. I was gonna wire it to the ECU. Only reason why I didn't, because I don't have a tuner to turn it off and on to see if the job is really done. I got it wired off the switch, and I mean, that's cool. I mean, if you run an AC in your car every day, when it's hot outside or whatever, both of your fans are on at all times anyway, and this ain't an everyday car driver anyway. I'd rather have it cool than trying to do it the right way and end up getting it wrong. So I got the switch in here. I'm gonna show you about that later on. But turn the switch. You hear the fuel pump? It cut it off by itself. I don't know why they thought about it. It's ticking like that. It's probably the new one, but it stopped though. But the fans work accordingly to switch. Both of them are on by the relays. Job done. I feel like, man, day for day, man. I say every day I'm gonna get out and drop y'all some type of content every day. That is what it is when it comes down to the radiators. The frame nuts, I'm gonna put that on a whole other video. And alright, I just get back with y'all.